Hi, in this video I will show you shortcut key using the F1 Alt plus F. So if Alt plus F1 you can create the chart with your data. So select your data, Alt plus F1. So this way you can create a chart. Alt plus F1. Once you press Alt F2, so you can save. You can use the save as your Excel worksheet. And Alt plus F3, and once you click on F4, you can save and exit your Excel worksheet. Alt 4, Alt F5, Alt F6, nothing. And Alt 6, nothing happening. Comment if you know any use of Alt F5 and F6 and F7, nothing. F8, you can open the macro. Alt plus F8 and Alt plus F9, nothing. F10, you can open this selection, you can show or hide, but it's not working here. You need some object, like we will try with shapes. Now hide all and show all. So like it's working as a layer. And F10, you can open this selection. F11, you can open the Microsoft Visual Basic. So this is the shortcut for Microsoft Visual Basic. And F12, once you press F12, Alt plus F12, so let's see it's lagging. So a new window will open for Power Query Editor. You will see this window. I don't know how to use it, but this is the F12, Alt plus F12 use. Thanks for watching.